What's good, y'all? This weekend is considered Yu-Gi-Oh! Day. Both yesterday and today, stores are having their events, and these events are themed around speed duels, which I'm excited about because that's the portion of the game that I've been most into and most wanting to play. So basically the way it's going to work is you buy 8 packs, and you draft those packs. For anyone that doesn't know what a draft is, you're basically constructing a deck out of those packs. And yeah, so the winner gets a playmat themed around bones, and I think everyone who enters, or at least a good amount of people who enter, get this promo ultra rare skill card. So we're gonna go there, check it out. We're gonna get there a little bit early just in case it's the first few people to get the promos. So we're headed there now. Let's go. All right, got my packs. Let's go ahead and check it out.
I mean, they do get 18
They have absolutely no rhythm, and they think they can beat us off the nose.
Wait, what's right, you register both of you, right? Just me. I played 3 shots around 11 drops. You do it right, you go dry. Just me something? Yeah, I gotta get mine. My wife already did. My wife already did. I gotta get mine now. Really? Oh, maybe she should register so she can register. My wife came to me for the day, and he put me down as my wife. But that was for my wife's day. But I don't have. Yeah, so now I don't have it because it doesn't exist. See? So now it's impossible, you know? Now I'm stuck with my wife's card. They suck.
Nice.
So I'm trying to get my cards.
Awesome.
But he's not in it. Sorry to hear that.
I'm such a bad guy.
Yes, you are, David. Yes, you are.
Terrible, evil Yu-Gi-Oh! Shop.
Number 2. Which one? I don't cop.
Right. All right. We're getting the last 8 packs from the last one, I think.
And they're gonna be good because nobody's put up.
Oh, actually, none of the boxes are guaranteed to have either that Spirit or Horus element. So that first box was really good.
Yeah, I've opened 3 boxes. I've opened 3 boxes and I didn't get one Sphere Karibo, so it's
so far, the one column came out of the first box.
Yeah.
12 bucks.
That's pretty cool. First place gets the mat, and top 8 are getting this skill card right here. Very, very crazy. Alright, couldn't really record too much in there, but ended up getting tied for 6th place, so I got the promo card, which I'll show you guys. This guy pulled the rarest card, ended up, what, 3rd place?
3rd place.
Not bad, not bad. So they're going to be having another event on the 14th. I'll definitely be coming out for that. Hobbies and More is the shop. Shout outs to the owner. Yeah, about to head back right now. I'll show you guys the card when I get to the house. Alright guys, so here's a look at the decks that we built. This is Gary's 3rd place deck. Hey, shout outs to Gary. So he got lucky, he got the Spear Karibo. I've opened 3 boxes, as you guys have seen on the channel, and not pulled one of these. And that definitely was helpful in the duels. He unfortunately didn't have any sack monsters, but you can see his beat sticks right here, 1650, 1500, and all that. He actually also had a skill card, which helped out a lot too, just because most of the other people didn't even have skill cards. So this powered up his zombies 100 every turn. Half shot was just very useful during this draft, and a bunch of other stuff. This is the card that we both won. You need to get in the top 8. He got 3rd, I got tied for 6th, so we both got the card. This is my deck. I was able to get some sack monsters in there, stuff like that. This Twister was definitely very helpful for anyone that did have land cards or skills like that. I could just go ahead and destroy them off the field. Did also pull a super rare equip, which was very helpful. Was able to pull that off with this 1900 sack monster. And so yeah, it was a lot of fun. We definitely plan on going back to another event, I think on the 14th, but that'll be constructed play rather than draft, so that should be fun. Next up, let's get into these 2 dual power boxes. These are the ones I was telling you guys about that I picked up on Amazon. And so yeah, let's see if we can get some good pulls out of here. Alright guys, so we got 2 boxes of dual power. I'm going to go ahead and crack them open kind of quickly. You probably saw earlier on this channel my first box opening, so I'll go through it a lot quicker now that we've done 1. And yeah, we're trying to get the trap card Impermanence. That's like the main pull out of this. Since that video, prices have already kind of balanced out. I know I was listing some crazy prices and stuff like that. That's what it was that night, the night that the set released. But now it's like balancing out. So you get 6 packs. Each pack has 5 cards and they're all ultra rares. But there are some short prints and stuff like that. You also get this dual mat in each of them. On this side it's poster, and on this side it's a pretty good mat. So that's that. Let's get into the cards. Oh yeah, the promos as well. Let's show that. Okay, you get Dark Magician and all the other Ace monsters. Here we go, Dark Magician with that anime style to it. Elemental Hero Neos. Very cool artwork on this one. Stardust Dragon. This is the most like valuable of the promos. All the other ones are like 50 cents, 35 cents. This one's at $1 right now, and it's probably going to keep going up, honestly. Here we go, Utopia 39 right there. Odd Eyes Pendulum Dragon. And last, Decode Talker. Let's get into the packs. Hopefully we can get some of these short prints, guys. Yeah, we'll see. Alright. So far, duds. Oh, nice. I don't have this yet. Card of Demise. This is definitely a very useful card right here, and my first one, so nice to add this to the collection. Card of Demise. And a lot of just trash so far in this pack, other than that Card of Demise. So, moving right along. Hopefully we get some of the hand traps as well. That'd be nice. Alright. Hot Red Dragon Archfiend. Tactical Exchange. We got Jasmine. And some more garbage in this pack. Unfortunately, not too lucky with the pulls, but it is what it is. We already got a duplicate right here. Got Security Dragon, which we were able to pull from the last box, but I actually just personally like this card. It just looks cool, so I'm not too mad about that. Backup Supervisor. And some more trash right here. One noteworthy pull so far. Can we get some more goodies? We'll see. Another of the Hot Red Dragon and another Tactical Exchange. Oh, nice. Cool. We got an Ash Blossom, which is nice because I only have the common version that came from that recent starter deck, so it's nice to get a blinged out ultra rare Ash Blossom. Very cool. Gold Gadget and Chaos Form. I'm actually pretty excited about that Ash Blossom. I know a lot of you guys who've been playing, you probably already have one and whatnot, but you know, me just getting back into the game recently, this is my first one, so I'm happy with that. Booster Dragon. Oh, nice. We did get another hand trap right here. We got Ghost Bell and the Haunted Mansion. I think this is one of the more rare cards. Probably the second rarest card in the set. Going for about $15 right now. So, 2 hand traps out of this box. Pretty happy with that. And another gold gadget. Last pack out of this box. Will we get an impermanence out of one of these 2 boxes? We'll see shortly. Alright. Very dope artwork on this one. We got Draw Fate, Chaos Form, and another Hot Red Dragon. So that's it for that box. 3 noteworthy pulls. Let's get into the final box of Dual Power that I'll be opening. Definitely an overall awesome set just for all the reprints, new prints, alternate arts, all this stuff. So, and it's nice to get them with the first edition stamp on them as well. Being that I'm a collector, I'm gonna keep this other promo pack sealed. Last 6 packs, guys. Wish me luck. All right. Lefty Driver. Another Hot Red Dragon Archfiend. Dark Cavalry. I think that's my first one of these. Harpy Dancer. Also, I think this is my first one of these. Can we get more hand traps or impermanence? Let's see, guys. Okay, Necros Mirror. Nice, we did get another hand trap, guys. We got Ghost Ogre right here. I think that's all of the hand traps. So we did pull all 3 of the hand traps. Very nice, I'm definitely happy about that. We got a Trickstar, Link Monster right here, and Stardust Wish. Nice. All 3 hand traps, definitely excited. Okay, another Necros Mirror. Nice, Necros. Quick Play Magic, and Hot Dragon Archfiend. So now I have 3 of those Necros. I got 2 in my very first box that I opened here on the channel. Got another Necros Mirror. This pack looks oddly similar. Beat Cop. My first Beat Cop right there. Hot Red Dragon. And a Necros Ritual Magic. 3 boxes, no impermanence. That's what it's looking like, at least. We will see. Dark Magical Circle. These are starting to go up a little bit. Magician of Chaos, Ritual Monster, very cool artwork. It's one of the ones I set aside to show you guys in the last video. Decode Destructor, Starsphere Scepter. Alright, last pack, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Will there be an impermanence out of these 3 boxes? Oh, nice. This is my first one of this. Link Monster right here. Tactical Exchange. Oh, nice. So, when I first started getting back into the game before Speed Duel was a thing, I was building a Cyber Dragon. And this is a brand new card for the Cyber Dragon deck, and it's actually going up in value pretty quickly. It was at $11 and now it's about $15. Very useful card for Cyber Dragon decks, so I'll definitely be using this in the deck that I put together, which I don't even know I'm going to be playing it too much, but at least I have it now. Toon, Dark Magician Girl. Very cool. And this is our last creature right here. So definitely some decent pulls. I'll go ahead and go over them right now. Alright, out of the boxes, these are our 7 noteworthy cards. We got Card of Demise right here. We got all 3 of the hand traps, which I'm definitely happy about. Very good. New Link Monster. We got our Cyber Dragon, and we got our Necros Ritual Monster. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'll definitely be back with some more Yu-Gi-Oh content soon. I'm definitely going to be back on the 14th for that Yu-Gi-Oh event. So until next time, guys, peace. Thanks for watching.